Bang bang! Yes! Ari naman kita for another trade and hindi nato ni pagtilawan ang birthday kaya muna siya nga niya i-trade sa atin nga. Another item po ano ina? Watch this! Hey, we are here in La Paz area to meet our trader and I'm so excited. Kaso lang, it's very traffic. Hindi ako nag-imagine na traffic siya this time. Okay, so let's just wait and I'll show you later what I traded for my 300 grams birch tree. Yay! Dari na! Ingat ko na si ma'am. Yay, 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 yay! Yay! Hello, pwede ka masulod sa vlog, ma'am?
No!
Yay!
Nakakulek kayo sila? Nakakulek kayo sila?
Oo. Kulang pa ko siyang 200 peso bill. So, pasimera ka mo na 200 peso bill nga, oh. Taga nyo ko, contact nyo ko. Yay! Thank you, good
Thank you! Thank you!
Yay! Arina, good man ang ating 10 peso bill. And I gotta show you my other parts of the collection. Ang atong kiling birch tree. Pakaon to ni ma'am sa iyo ng mga dugdog. Grabe yan, dugdog na nag-drink sang milk. Kamuman, drink man kamo sang milk para healthy ka mo. And let's fight this COVID-19. Let's go home! Yay! Yay! Nandito na sa bahay ng ating 10 peso bill to be part of our collection. There you go! Whee! Yan, may butal pa tayo dito. 200 for those na merong 200 pesos. Sana pwede ako makapag-barter sa inyo. And yun pala, I actually traded for 5 peso bill din from ma'am. Kaso nakuha ng isang barter. How do you call the other barter? Barterer? Ganun. Na yung isa namin kasamahan. So I wasn't able to get it. And then I remember may batchmate pala ako na nagpa-reserve ako sa kanya ng dalawang 5 peso bill. So I just have to wait after the COVID when she returns here in Iloilo so that I could take the 2 5 peso bill to place it in here. But those of you who have 200 peso bill, I hope I could get one for it. Isa ding birch tree. Okay lang ba? Birch tree or Arla. No, I actually bidded for Dutch milk last time kay ma'am kasi hindi siya umiinom ng Dutch milk. Then I said, what Arla po? Hindi din pala siya nag-drink ng Arla. Buti na lang, sabi ng mother ko, ay try mo, meron tayong birch tree doon. Tapos, I took a picture and posted, Mom, birch tree. Tapos sabi niya, yun pala, yung gatas ng kanyang mga dogs. And eto pala yung dog ko, look. Hello everyone! A gentle reminder from our doggies. Kindly observe social distancing. Yan, siesta munang mga aso. Kayo din dyan, ingat! Ayun, buti pa ng ating mga aso nagpa-practice ng social distancing. Pero kanina ako masyadong excited makuha ang ating 10 peso bill. 1 ruler lang yung naging pagitan namin ni Mom. My gosh, buti na lang nakamask po tayo. And for those na meron 200 peso bill, please do comment down below. Baka may pwede tayong i-barter dyan na 300 grams na birch tree din. And just to share with you, last time, paano ko ito nakuha yung 1,000 peso bill, 2015. Nasa Robinsons, Manila ako and there's a foreigner in front of me. Pumipila na kami magbabayad na kami sa cashier. Tapos binigay niya sa cashier, itong mga old bills, hindi siya na-update na. Hindi na pala tayo yung tumatanggap nito kasi may bago na tayong bills na pinrint. And I immediately asked him, Sir, can I barter my new 1,000 peso bill to your old ones? Then he agreed. Yeah, he agreed. And when I went home, sabi ko, man, I just lost 2,000 pesos to purchase a paper that is worth 0. If you come to think of one piece of old bills having no value, yes, this is just a paper. But if you come to think of it, that you will be collecting and having a set of pieces of papers converted into a collection of our history, this is not anymore 0 value. So, those again who has 200 peso bill, please naman. 300 grams na birch tree, please.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!